Hello everybody, this is YT Club 123 and this is Flood Escape 1 that I built in Obby Creator. The ID is up here at the top of my screen and I'm going to be playing with my friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe as well. So enjoy. And yes, this is multiplayer, so you can play with your friends. I'm doing a voice reveal because... Oh wait, someone died. I'm doing a voice reveal because I hit 200 subscribers. And that feels like an entire accomplishment for me. 200 subscribers and a video of mine got like 55k views. And that is a lot. And I received a lot of subscribers because of that. So I just want to say thank you for all your support. Oh wait, something happened. Alright, sorry for that. Now time for intermediate. Wait, that's the flood gauntlet. Place where I can battle people. Here is extreme mode. Multiplayer will not work there. Let me just tell them something real quick. Alright. Next is intermediate, which is medium difficulty. And after that, it's hard. So let's get started. Sadly, the name for this map was actually Colorful Platforms, but Roblox censored it for some reason. It's like, you can't even say anything on Roblox. Fun fact, this room is actually from Flood Escape. I got an idea from it. If you're liking the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe button. It really helps a lot. And now for the final difficulty. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. Each one has a 120-second cooldown. So that means once you press the button, it will be closed for 120 seconds, aka 2 minutes. This one got tagged too. The name for this map was Confusion. And this one isn't tagged, thankfully. And someone died. We lost one person. This is really hard since there's two paths. One could be deadly and the other could just be the safe path. So a 50-50 chance. Alright, now time to escape. And time for extreme. Wait, we need a... Where's Luigi? Alright, there he is. Alright, let's do this. Extreme mode is basically like Flood Escape 1 extreme mode. But you have oxygen, so even if you touch water, you will still be alive, but you would take damage. and your goal is to escape. This map is really hard since it's really big and water comes really fast. And you need to be quick because you're gonna have to go down. You'll see what I mean later. Just like that, we gotta go down here. Pressing this button will activate this. And then after that, oh god, the water is rising. And I failed that jump. Great. You're not seeing anything. This is not me hacking at all. Totally. Yeah, totally not hacking. The green buttons activate the exit, and the blue ones activate other things. And just like that, I'm golden. And I escaped. Here is the training rooms where you can train. There are two things you can do in here. Agility, where you can practice your parkour. And yeah, that's all about it for agility. And there's code practice, which will help you train for the code at the end. So like it says green right there. Let me just get this button. You click the green button. And then this one is the color red. So you click red. And just like that, you're done.